Alright guys, check this out. So this is SnowCrest Farms organic sliced strawberries. We're going to do a quick review of it. It's just frozen strawberries, but we'll do a quick taste test. Alright, let me just open this up. Alright, so these are what the organic strawberries look like. And it actually does have a nice strawberry aroma coming out from it. Let's do a quick taste test. So yeah, it's actually quite tasty. Nice, it's sweet too. It's not overly sour or anything. So definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel. As you look here, you see it's mostly red. It doesn't have the white parts of the strawberry. It's actually pretty good.